Ambush. Verb. To attack someone suddenly from a hidden place. Noun. A surprise attack from a hidden position. The soldiers planned an ambush in the forest. They were caught in an ambush on their way home. Beef. Anger, argument, or personal problem with someone. They have had a beef with each other for years. The two rappers started a beef on social media. Bicker. To argue repeatedly about small things, often annoying but not serious. The siblings often bicker over trivial matters. They started to bicker about where to eat. Brawl. A noisy fight among a group of people, usually in a public place. A brawl broke out after the match ended. The argument quickly turned into a street brawl. Dispute. A disagreement or argument between two people, groups, or countries. The two companies are in a dispute over the contract. Their dispute started because of a misunderstanding. Feud. A long and angry fight, argument, or bad relationship between people, families, or groups. The two families have been in a feud for generations. Their feud started over a small disagreement. Intimidate. To make someone feel afraid, nervous, or less confident, usually by using power, threats, or strong behavior. He tried to intimidate his opponent with harsh words. Don't let anyone intimidate you. Quarrel. To argue or fight with someone, usually about small or personal matters. They had a serious quarrel over money. The siblings often quarrel about small things. Reconcile. To make peace again after a fight or disagreement. They finally decided to reconcile after their argument. She tried to reconcile with her best friend. Retaliate. To hurt someone back or take revenge after they hurt you. He decided to retaliate after being treated unfairly. She didn't retaliate even when others were rude to her. Skirmish. A small or brief fight, argument, or clash. Can be a minor battle or everyday disagreement. The soldiers had a brief skirmish near the border. A small skirmish broke out between the two groups. Spat. A small argument or quarrel, usually minor. They had a little spat over what movie to watch. The couple's spat didn't last very long. Strangle. To squeeze someone's throat so they cannot breathe. He tried to strangle his opponent during the fight. The villain attempted to strangle the hero. Wound. An injury where the skin or body is cut, torn, or damaged. The soldier had a deep wound on his arm. She cleaned the wound carefully to prevent infection. Wounded. Injured or hurt, physically or emotionally. The wounded soldier was taken to the hospital. She felt deeply wounded by his harsh words.